The VF803 Paint Sprayer by VONFORN is a versatile tool featuring 4 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns to cater to a wide array of painting tasks, from furniture to garden chairs. This paint sprayer stands out with its unique dust-blowing function, which ensures a clean surface before painting, enhancing the final results significantly. Ease of use is a key feature of the VF803, as it can be assembled without tools, making it accessible even for beginners who can start using it after a quick read of the manual. Cleaning is made simple with the included cleaning brush and needle, allowing you to maintain the sprayer's performance by effectively removing residual paint from the nozzles. The adjustable flow control knob is a valuable feature, enabling precise control over paint output to suit different project requirements while minimizing waste. The VF803 Paint Sprayer package is comprehensive, including essential accessories like paint filters and a viscosity cup, all designed to support a seamless painting experience.